Yes, at work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. And 30, 40, 50 boxes. And it'll be 50 boxes if I put these 5 on there. See, I'm kind of running out of room. I don't think I can fit it all. And that thing right there is our air conditioner. It's blowing wind. If you could look closely, it's actually tilting. I don't know. Like it's moving. But I think it is pretty fucking cool that I have this huge stack of boxes. See, it was all staggered. I was gonna make it in a spiral, but it didn't really work out. But yeah, it's all staggered and then it gets all nicely stacked at the top, so I was like standing up there. So I was thinking of putting it on the bottom, on the ground, so that it, oh my god.